Hi, this is Chase from BriskHeat, and today I will be discussing a product that's great for freeze protection and thawing metal or plastic pipes and valves. This product is the SpeedTrace self-regulating heating cable. The SpeedTrace line includes SpeedTrace roof and gutter kits, and these are used for melting snow and de-icing roofs, gutters, and downspouts. This also comes in SpeedTrace Extreme, which provides 60% more wattage. The product includes a pre-assembled, grounded, 3-prong plug for safety and easy installation. It is suitable for residential, commercial, and industrial applications. The cable is engineered for use in extremely cold conditions and is moisture and UV resistant. The thermoplastic elastomer outer jacket provides long, dependable service life in harsh conditions. The different options for lengths and wattages for the SpeedTrace products are found on our website under SpeedTrace Self-Regulating Heating Cable, or you can find it in the link in the description.